Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michelle, and on my channel I post new videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So I find it really funny that I'm uploading this unboxing video just because I really did just post that video about 5 Louis Vuitton handbags that I love but did not buy. And this handbag that I'm about to show you is actually on that list. I want to start off by mentioning that everything that I own in my collection I have actually purchased with my own money, and that's something that I really do pride myself on because if I want it, then I go ahead and work hard for it. Of everything in my collection though, the only thing that was actually gifted to me was the Louis Vuitton perfume, and that one was from Joseph, and it was a gift for my 30th birthday, and I knew that one was coming just because he asked me what I wanted, and that's what I told him I wanted. So anyways, this one was actually a complete surprise, and I did not know how to react when I got it because it's such a generous gift. I actually haven't shared this publicly, but me and Joseph were supposed to get married this past September. If you remember that trip that we took to Sedona, Arizona, that was actually the weekend we were supposed to get married, and I just needed a trip to go ahead and get my mind off things. Recently, I have really just been bummed about the postponed marriage and also what we could be doing, what we should be doing. But yeah, this is really such a unexpected gift, a sweet gesture from Joseph, and honestly, I just feel so blessed right now. Anyways, so let me go ahead and share with you what he got me. Are you guys ready? He got me the Louis Vuitton Montsouris BB, and honestly, she is so cute and I am just so happy. This one actually is not the original one that he got me. The one that he got me originally had misaligned leather right over here in the back, and also there was a small puncture in the leather, and I'm not even sure how that happened in the first place. Also, this comes with 2 removable straps, and one of the removable straps was way more wrinkled than the other strap that it came with, so it just felt used. So I went ahead and exchanged it, and I got a brand new one. Well, I got a new one, but when I had actually opened the box, it was brand new. So that was really exciting. I'm actually going to share some footage of me opening the box in just a bit, but just note that it is a little bit darker in the footage just because when I got the package, it was already nighttime, and I honestly just wanted to go ahead and open it already. And yeah, I just couldn't wait until the next day to open the package, so I went ahead and opened it at nighttime, and I'm just so happy with the product that I received. But yeah, let me stop talking about it and let me go ahead and show you the footage in 3, 2, 1. So I can't believe it's already here. I actually just ordered this bag yesterday. It was Friday, and right now it's Saturday, so in just like less than 24 hours this bag got here, and I'm really impressed with the packaging. As you can see, it was carefully packaged so that the box doesn't move around. The bow is still intact. Sometimes I'll get packages and the bow is just like all over the place and not even wrapped around the box anymore. It also has like a little gift tag, so yeah, even just like this presentation I'm just so happy with because I haven't felt like I got this experience in such a long time. So thank you, Louis Vuitton. So let's go ahead and unbox her. Like right now it's nighttime, so like the lighting is not the best, but honestly I just like can't wait. So yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox her. And here she is. There we go. So first off, we have the receipt and all of the little papers in here on how to exchange and return, a label. So that's that. But yeah, let's go ahead. Oops, let's take this one out. Cool, so let's go ahead and unbox her. Oh, she's open. Oh my gosh, yes, like this one you can tell is like brand new. It's never been cinched. So far everything just looks perfect. let's check it out together. Oh my gosh, yes, this I think is the one. And I'm not too big on it, but let's see where it's made. This one, whoop, this one is made in Paris. So let's also go ahead and check. These ones came, oh wow, and these also came unattached. Like, this is brand new. And so since they're not attached, let's go ahead and check these out. Yep, they look perfect. The other ones, remember, were really wrinkled, but this one is like brand new. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Okay. And the date code for this one, I don't think you can see it, but it is SD 3230, so it was the 33rd week of 2020. I don't even want to like scrunch it up yet because it's so perfect. But yeah, I'm so happy. This one is the one. I'm so glad that I decided to go ahead and just get a replacement off the internet versus in store, because in store, you know, like sometimes you'll get one that people already touched and things like that. So I'm just so happy that this one is literally so perfect and brand new. So let's see. So here she is. This is the Louis Vuitton Montsouris BB, and I just love her so much already. She's so much more cuter in person, and I've honestly really just wanted a backpack, and this is what I have been waiting for. And there is also one in monogram with black, but I really just did not like the interior color of that one. I really just love this brown color so much more, and I really don't mind also the leather on this bag. As you know, the removable straps are also in the Vachetta, but I do think that bags should be used, and I shouldn't be scared of using my bags. And as it ages, I just think that bags just gain more character over time. And so some of the basics with this bag is that it measures 6.7 inches by 7.9 inches by 4.1 inches, and it has aged natural leather, monogram coated canvas, cowhide leather trim, textile lining, and also gold hardware, as you can see here. And this bag does come with 2 removable straps, and as you can see, mine were not even attached yet. That's how brand new she is. And I read that these adjustable and removable straps can be adjusted to a minimum of 32.7 inches and to a maximum of 42.1 inches. And because it does have these removable straps and also being adjustable and with these D-rings, you can actually wear this bag as a backpack, a crossbody, or on the shoulder. And later on in this video, I will go ahead and include some mod shots for you guys to see. So something that I really do like about this bag is the magnetic closure right over here with the leather drawstrings. I'm really glad that it's actually not really a buckle, because I feel like that would make it a hassle to buckle and unbuckle when I want to get in and out of my bag. This magnet is also fairly pretty strong, so I do feel like my belongings are safe. So if I am out traveling, I probably wouldn't want to wear this one as a backpack, but I would feel more comfortable wearing it as a crossbody instead, just because if this is on my back and the magnet does come open, my belongings are pretty exposed and anyone can just go ahead and stick their hand in there and take my stuff. So yeah, I would want to wear this one as a crossbody just because I want to make sure that my belongings are safe. So inside this bag, there is also a single pocket right over here. And honestly, I really don't see myself getting an organizer for this bag. I feel like I would be able to find everything in my bag just fine. Let me know if you'd be interested in a what fits inside my bag video in the comments below, and I will be sure to film that for you guys. So this bag can actually be made in France, Spain, Italy, or in the USA. And honestly, when I was first unboxing this, I thought that it was made in France, but then, because it said Paris, but This is my very first made in the USA bag, and it has a tag right over here that says made in USA of imported materials. And I just find it funny that it just needs to have that little disclaimer that it was made with imported materials, but okay. Anyways, this is also my very first bag that was made in the USA, and honestly, I'm just really happy with the quality. It was better than the other ones that I saw in the store, and also the one that I initially received. So all in all, honestly, I am loving the quality of this bag. It looks great. I know there is some raised concern with these folded corners over here, and how it can't be repaired or replaced, unlike, you know, Vachetta. But honestly, I don't see myself throwing this bag around, and I'm not going to be afraid of using this bag. If it does happen in the long run, then it does happen in the long run. But yeah, I do feel like the bag was very well made, and I shouldn't be scared of using the bag. And anyways, let me go ahead and show you some mod shots. So I will be showing you 3 ways to wear the Montsouri BB, and first off, here is how it looks like as a backpack. Next, I'll be showing you as a crossbody. And lastly, here are some shots of me wearing it as a shoulder bag. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in a what fits inside my Montsouri BB, please let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to make that video for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!